I've never seen this technique shared anywhere.
Look at the little baby mushroom with the...
Modeling clay stays soft. Masking tape can damage the paint. Modeling clay doesn't mask by sticking, it masks by not bonding. These are simple examples meant to show the range of what's possible. No adhesive, no damage. New clay applied to hard surfaces can be difficult to remove and possibly ruin work. So on hard surfaces, I use old clay. And since canvas has texture, new clay works best because it has more tack. This is where resist becomes casting. Rough against smooth, flat against dimensional. I call this clay cast resist. I've been carrying this clay ball for years. Now you know why.